Samsung remains a technological pioneer, producing some of the most stunning gadgets available, and their laptop lineup is extensive, much like their smartphone lineup. If you're looking for a high-end computer, you should consider purchasing a Samsung laptop. So, today, let's go over the top 7 best Samsung laptops of 2022. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Number 7. Samsung Galaxy Book 2. If your job requires you to travel quite a bit, locating Wi-Fi hotspots may be a task that proves difficult for you to do. You won't need an additional router or cable to connect to the internet thanks to the built-in 4G capabilities that come standard on the Samsung Galaxy Book 2. These capabilities allow you to maintain your connection even when you're not using the device, so you won't lose your internet connection just because you're not using the device. It nonetheless gives a good performance and has a battery life that is reasonable, despite the fact that its CPU is not as strong as the ones found in many of the other devices on this list. Number 6. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex Alpha. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex Alpha is a photographer's and videographer's dream device. The Alpha guarantees power and speed for all tasks thanks to its powerful processor. One of the best reviewed Samsung laptops, it also has a QLED display, an amazing battery life, and S Pen capability. While it is not as thin as the Samsung Galaxy Book S, it is just as compact and easy to transport. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Book S. The Samsung Galaxy Book S is our pick for the most portable and lightweight laptop, and it is a pleasure to both handle and operate. Because of its lightweight construction, users are able to take it virtually everywhere, making this option the greatest choice for you in terms of weight. This device, which can last for up to 17 hours and helps you complete as many of the chores on your to-do list as possible, is marketed as being impossibly light and remarkably powerful. This powerhouse is also one of the choices among current Samsung models that falls into the more affordable price range. This ought to be able to help you deliver on your core purpose, which is to use your computer solely for browsing the internet and executing a few documents. Number 4. Galaxy Book Ion. In many ways, the Samsung Galaxy Book Ion is a superior product to its competitors. To begin, the QLED screen emits brilliant colors, allowing viewers to have a watching experience that is far more immersive. This is made possible by the panel's high resolution. Customers are able to charge wirelessly compatible devices directly on the surface of the product thanks to a feature known as wireless power share, which is included in this product. Moreover, the product has this capability. In the event that those benefits are not enough to sway your decision, the streamlined design and slim profile make it considerably easier to travel. This laptop is great for creative professionals that handle enormous projects and work with multiple teams at the same time. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Chromebook. This is the Galaxy Chromebook to get if you are seeking for the best one currently available. Even though other brands of Chromebooks have been manufactured, none of them are as powerful as this one. The hardware is top-notch, and the display is full of vivid colors. In addition, there is an S Pen included to help you maximize your productivity. The most significant drawback, on the other hand, is the battery life. The fact that this Chromebook was the very first to provide a display capable of displaying 4K content comes at the cost of a battery life that is only average. However, this does not imply that the battery life is particularly poor. However, when contrasted with other Samsung laptops and even Apple laptops, this particular computer does not have a very long battery life. Number 2. Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. Even though it's been on the market for a little more than 2 years, the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro is still an impressive workhorse. The 15-inch, 1080p touchscreen boasts a smooth response thanks to an 8th generation Intel Core i7 chip, and its huge battery contributes to the device's good performance. This laptop is a fantastic illustration of what it was intended to be: a professional laptop for designers, capable of performing tasks such as video conferencing, logo design work, video editing, as well as reading your favorite novels. This laptop has a wide and very comfortable keyboard for typing on. In addition to that, there is sufficient room for a massive trackpad. Despite this, Samsung decided against including a numeric keyboard in favor of leaving sufficient space between the lighted keys. Number 1. Galaxy Book Flex. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex is a technological powerhouse that functions equally well as a tablet and a laptop. This makes it an ideal device for graphic designers and illustrators. To put it another way, its touchscreen features enable creatives to maximize drawing possibilities, thus providing users with increased command over the artistic endeavors they are able to pursue with the tablet. Because it comes included with both an S Pen and a fantastic battery life, the Samsung Flex is an unbeatable machine, making it the ideal mobile device for creatives of all stripes and people who are constantly on the move. It only takes a simple flip to transform your laptop into a tablet thanks to the ultra-slim design of the Galaxy Book Flex, which allows you to do it with ease. Because it has a quick display that is 13.3 inch or 15.6 inch and a backlit keyboard, it is possible to operate efficiently even when it is nighttime. Additionally, it comes with a battery that is capable of rapid recharging and has a lifespan of up to 19 hours. That's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment on this video if you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.